Hey scrappers, Tom here from rrcarbide.com, and I want to talk to you about carbide inserts, also known as brazed inserts, tungsten-based inserts. And as scrap buyers of this carbide, it's important to know what you're looking at and where it comes from. Now, if you're looking for more information or pricing, rrcarbide.com, we provide bins, free shipping labels for 10 pounds or more, and we also have bins that we can send you for 50 pounds or more. Now, inserts come from all different types of areas: CNC operations, cutting operations. Sometimes you use carbide inserts inside of areas to cut cardboard because of the high density and the high rate that it has when it comes to cutting. Now in front of me you can see a whole bunch of different inserts, different shapes, different sizes. There's triangular, there's kind of ninja stars, there's diamond ones, square ones, different size bits. Now they come in all shapes and sizes, and sometimes they come in different colors. Now a couple of times you can run through this and you'll see that the magnet will have a pull, and there is a slight magneticism because of the tungsten in there, sometimes because of the cobalt. Now where do these inserts come from and why do they get scrapped? Well, when they come from these machining operations, oftentimes you can see they start to get chips on them due to wear. Now, this is not good when it comes to cutting, because when you have chips like you see here, you can't recut these, you can't resharpen these, they're too small. So generally they're purchased in large quantities by CNC shops. They're taken and used in lathes, on milling machines. And when you get them, it's really important to not throw them away, scrappers. We're looking at money. Now, pricing has been over the years from $3 to $15 a pound. So when you look at prices, you always want to go to rrcarbide.com to learn about basic prices and get a quote. The more you have, the higher that the price goes up. And with free shipping and kind of a price lock, it really makes it easy for you, including insurance, to make sure that you're dealing with a company like ours that's reputable, that knows what they're doing, and makes it as easy as possible for you to get paid. So when it comes to inserts, you want to be able to sort them. You want to be able to separate them from your drill bits. Don't worry about the different sizes or the different colors. That's a brazing that's put on them. But you can see all of these different sizes. You can see that they get broken from heavy usage. Sometimes they're used 1 or 2 times, but it's cut on something really heavy and it just breaks them easily, so they have to get switched out. So if you have questions on your carbide insert scrap, pricing, shipping, and payments, let the team at rrcarbide.com know. Until next time, I'll scrap you later.